There's nothing more annoying than pet hair stuck in your car's carpet and upholstery. Hi everyone, I'm Brian, founder of Slick Products, and today we're taking a look at our washable and reusable pet hair glove. It's designed to make removing pet hair from your vehicle fast, effortless, and mess-free. It also works great on furniture, carpets, and even clothing. First, the textured surface lifts stubborn pet hair from car interiors, carpets, and upholstery without scratching surfaces. It grabs even the most embedded fur in just seconds. Next, the glove is washable and reusable. So rinse it out or toss it in the washing machine and it's ready to go again, saving you time and reducing waste compared to the disposable lint tools. And third, it's built for comfort and control. Lightweight and ergonomic, the glove fits most hand sizes, letting you precisely clean interiors while keeping your hands comfortable and protected. Using this glove is simple. Slide it on your hand, run it over pet hair on your seats, carpets, or clothing, and watch the fur lift away instantly. For larger jobs, pull off clumps of hair as you go. And once finished, pull off any remaining clumps of hair, rinse or machine wash it, let it air dry, and now it's ready for the next use. We'd love to hear what you think, so please drop your questions or comments in the section below. And be sure to check out all of our detailing and cleaning products, providing a faster, safer, and easier cleaning experience for all your dirty toys. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the ride.